Right angle, equal to 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle with a measure of exactly 90 degrees, which is also called a 90-degree angle. An obtuse angle is an angle with a measure of greater than 90 degrees. An acute angle is an angle with a measure of less than 90 degrees. A 180-degree angle is the measure of a straight line, and is also called a straight angle. A circle has been defined to have 360 degrees, and a half a circle, or a semicircle, therefore has 180 degrees, and a quarter circle therefore has 90 degrees, and a quarter circle is often divided into halves of 45 degrees, or thirds of 30 degrees. Right can be applied to an angle, as in an right angle, or right can be applied to a triangle, as in a right triangle. A right triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle equal to 90 degrees. Antonyms: acute, obtuse. Related words: right triangle, straight angle.